process. Thank you. So I will just go ahead and share my screen. Perfect. So we're going to start off with a high-level overview of the month-end process in Nakisa. So the month-end process can be split into 4 different steps. But before you begin with your month-end closing process, it's important to make sure that any new contracts or modifications have already been performed before you start any month-end procedures. Additionally, it's important to review any drafts or any activation groups in the non-active status to ensure that they are handled and represented properly within the application before you begin your month-end process. Once you're ready to start the month-end process, the first step will be running the month-end jobs to post the entries internally. In today's session, we're going to go over different ways you can post the entries within Nakisa. Our second step is if you're operating in a connected environment, users may proceed to post their external ERP. This can be scheduled in the manager page of the application. Thirdly, we'll do exception and error handling. So the goal here is to make sure that everything has been posted both internally and externally, if applicable. You need to validate that both postings have been executed and posted accurately. There are some reports in the manager page that can help you out with that. Lastly is to perform month-end reconciliation. There are various out-of-the-box reports to assist with this, and today we're going to go more in depth on what reports can be used and how. I will now pass over to Ruchika, who will start off with our postings in Nakisa.
Thank you, Hilly. I will also start sharing my screen just to make sure everybody can see the slides.